Hey, you don't want kids, do you?
Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
DB Drive 7
Dude, your port area is big. You must got a lot of subs.
You want to see it play 8 hertz?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's a huge port. Oh gosh.
It's somewhere around the 1600 square inch mark.
I think if somebody asks you 8 hertz, do you think they're joking?
No, we'll actually.
When you give the second demo, I'm gonna be in the box. Is that alright?
Maybe. We'll see. Can we get that window up?
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is JacobViral. I know you're excited to see the demo of this build, but before I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer, as well as I just launched official merch. A lot of people have been wanting to get merch. Link in the description for that, as well as I just created a Patreon. You're able to become a Patreon supporter now. I'm going to be working more with exclusive content and credit, shout outs, a lot of other personal things with you guys that become that. And I look forward to working with y'all on also live streams. I'm going to be doing weekly live streams. I did my first official live stream a few days ago. Great success. So I'm going to be doing more of those, so stay tuned. And we're about to get ready to do a demo. If y'all ever have any questions, feel free to comment, and look forward to working with y'all more closely with the Patreon supporters. See y'all at the demo.
Something in the range.
All right, holy, what was that frequency?
8.
Jeez, it's that loud?
Yeah, that was 8.
That last note is 8.
8 hertz is that loud? That is insane, dude.
Oh, the seal chambers are fucking huge. Hang on.
As you can see, it's nice and sealed off right there at the top.
Yeah, as you can see, it's completely sealed.
Still work in progress.
Yeah. 2 days ago, there was 0 equipment in this truck.
Wow.
Nothing.
Okay.
I think you got a Tahoe demo last time, right?
It's been a while, yeah. Dude, that is brutal. You got glass going everywhere, don't you?
Yeah. Feel free.
What's up?
Feel free. If you're brave enough.
What's up? You want to put the window up?
You can get in there if you want.
Oh, yeah, sure.
In the box. Just don't step on anything.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to fuck this man's life up. Hey, you don't want kids, do you?
Not yet. Did he really go back there? You did.
What, is it bad?
No,
You're a brave motherfucker.
Dude, I sat at 69, so you'll be alright.
you're brave. I'm just gonna give you a high five right now. No, it's not recording. Hold on.
it in there?
How was it?
I can't play lows.
It's pretty loud.
I can't play lows while you're in there.
No. You'll be like done.
Here, actually, you can come out. That's all I was just trying to.
It's pretty loud.
Thanks, man.
I'll let you out on my side.
What's going on, bro? How you doing?
How does it do with the window up on the high end?
Want it up?
Yeah. He's gonna give me one more. What? Can I roll the window up? One more? What is the subs and power in this thing?
There's 4 DB Drive 7500s. They're wired at quarter ohm each. They usually charge at 15.5, but everything's hot, so I'm at like 14.8. DB Drive 7K 18s, 3.5 to 1/4 order.
Okay. All right. What frequency do you peak at? That you're about to give me? You don't know?
First time I turned it up today, the window blew out.
Jeez. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Holy crap, maybe sneeze.
Pulls the snot out of your nose.
Yes. Heck yeah, thank you, man.
Not a problem at all, brother.
What was your name?
Joel Sparky.
Joe Sparky, all right. Is your amps open? I'm gonna go check them out.
Yeah, I got you.
That'll make you sneeze. Yeah.
Blows the gasket off.
Oh, okay.
What kind of amp? DB Drive 75.
Thank you, man.
Here's where the C-Max is in the scariest place possible.
You utilized your space.
The very first time I turned it up. What?
You ain't even supposed to be in sealed yet.
Oh, no, man, not at all. Once that cabin pressurizes, it'll be a different monster.
What are they? DB Drive?
You going for 65s on music? Yep. Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.